Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Luno, found at https://www.luno.com. This platform provides a gateway into the world of cryptocurrency, and I'm sharing my journey using it. Luno offers a simplified approach to buying, selling, and storing digital assets, making it an attractive option for those new to the crypto space. It's a platform designed with accessibility in mind, attempting to strip away some of the complexity often associated with cryptocurrency transactions. From my perspective, the interface is clean and intuitive, allowing users to navigate through the various features without feeling overwhelmed. My experience with Luno has been primarily focused on the core functionalities, acquiring and managing my crypto holdings. While I haven't delved deep into all of its advanced features, I found the basic buying and selling processes straightforward. The platform also provides a secure wallet to store your crypto, which is an essential component for any user. Security is a top priority in the cryptocurrency landscape, and Luno appears to address this concern with robust measures in place. One of the aspects I appreciated about Luno was the learning resources available. For newcomers, understanding the intricacies of cryptocurrency can be daunting. Luno acknowledges this and offers educational materials to help users grasp the fundamentals. This educational component is a significant advantage, enabling users to make informed decisions about their crypto investments. While I didn't extensively utilize these resources, their presence adds value to the overall platform experience. Overall, Luno seems to provide a solid entry point for individuals looking to explore the world of digital currencies. My time with the platform has been positive, highlighting the ease of use and security features. While I can't speak to every aspect of the platform from personal experience, my initial impressions have been favorable. I would recommend checking out Luno for yourself, especially if you're just starting your crypto journey. Remember to do your own research and understand the risks associated with any investment.